guys, welcome to my channel. मैं हूँ मिली and today I have a Shein haul for you. तो मैंने Shein से कुछ tops मंगाए थे which I was super excited about and I'll be telling you exactly मेरी क्या feelings है. Remember कि ये these have not been sent to me or anything. I have bought these with my own money and मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ exactly what are my thoughts. So definitely subscribe करके like कर दीजिए if you like honest to God reviews and let's get started. So मैंने जब Shein साइट पे गई तो I saw these tops. These are very casual tops और I was like really happy to order. तो मैंने 4 tops मंगाए हैं and एक push up bra. These which are इसके बारे में बाद में लास्ट में बात करूंगी. So the first top we'll start with is this. The one that I'm wearing right now. ये I really like this one. The fabric is not super great लेकिन I think I paid मेरे ख्याल से 700 something for it and it's got a smocking on the front आगे पीछे off shoulder top है ये. Quite nice. The fitting is pretty cool. It's like not very fitted. It's just boxy a bit. The sleeves are very nice. They have this very pretty, ये जो आजकल बहुत चल रहा है, this kind of a frill. It's an off shoulder and both sides it's like this. On the fabric is not the greatest. इतना great नहीं है, but I think it's okay. There's no large, small in this. It's just one size fits all. So this good one. अब इसके बाद में everything went downhill. So I don't know क्या बात थी इस बार में Shein का जो इसकी जो quality है. I don't know why it was so cheap. Like ये वाला I want to show you this. So ये top है similar. जब मैंने देखा तो I thought it will be a very thick fabric का woolly kind of a thing, but ये जो है I hope it's focused. ये fabric जो है इतना पतला है. Can you see that? It is so stringy and thin. ये exactly 100 rupees वाला टॉप लग रहा है जो आप स्ट्रीट से खरीद सकते हैं. It's not at all जो मैं एक्सपेक्ट किया था. I hope I can get this across to you कि इतना stringy है ये fabric. ये मुझे लगा था this will be a very woolly kind of a rich kind of a fabric जो बहुत woolly उस टाइप के रहते हैं. But unfortunately बिल्कुल भी नहीं. इसका जो the material is okay but 100% ये स्ट्रीट शॉपिंग वाली चीज है. ये नीचे got a very nice scalloped little top लेकिन इसकी फिटिंग भी not good. It's like I really didn't like this one. ये तो काफी चीपो था. इसी के चक्कर में मैंने इसी सिमिलर स्टाइल में एक और टॉप मंगाया था. They all come in these bags by the way, जो शायद आपको पता हो. They come in these little bags. This is another one, red color. The color is really beautiful and that's about it. The beauty ends there. Same वही same चीज. ये जो है अगर आपको समझ में आ रहा हो, this is super thin. ये मुझे जो फीलिंग थी, it will be a thick, woolly, rich kind of a, जैसे a very rich kind of a design detail. लेकिन ये ऐसा नहीं है. ये बिल्कुल धागे हैं, like I don't know how to say it. It's not worth the money. जो ये कुछ 750 या 800 something के थे. Definitely not worth it. Something like this. ये scallops हैं. Shein के sleeves are known for the scallops. You'll easily get. ये नीचे भी scallops हैं. Similar to the white one, and I'll tell you आपको ये सारी चीजें super duper easily street पे मिल जाएंगी $100 में. I don't know why ये क्यों इस बार ऐसा हो गया. The quality is absolutely not worth it, guys. मुझे पता नहीं, मैं तो आपको बिल्कुल honestly बताऊंगी. I've paid for this with my own money, and even if I wasn't being paid, मैं तो I will be telling you the way जैसा है. I'll be telling it to you the way it is. So this is the next top. Same situation. ये बहुत ही rich लगा था and जो पहला see the sleeves though. I'll finish with this top first. It's got a very pretty detail. ये sleeves मुझे बहुत पसंद है तो शायद ये वाला तो मैं रख लूंगी. And the print, लेकिन the bottom of it is plain, nothing much. Print काफी अच्छी है लेकिन there is nothing in these 3 tops जो आपको रोड पे नहीं मिलेगा 100-200 रुपए में. I don't know, this time I was so disappointed. पिछले haul से I had really high expectations. This time though it is such a disappointing haul. Like बिल्कुल भी मुझे I don't know. All these 3 will be returned. शायद I may end up keeping this, but and none of these fit well as you'll see or you've already seen. So the next thing I ordered is this bra. This is a push-up bra. I'm going to show this to you. This is going to go into a giveaway which is happening most probably on Instagram. So this is something I was really excited. ये XL में था and it's nothing like XL. Shein के tops तो इतने बड़े होते हैं, but the XL bra is actually maybe max to max 36. Like 34 to 36 plus size के लिए अच्छी, but it's a very pretty one. ये वो है जो you pull this and it just pushes everything up and it's like really beautiful. It's got this scallop detail, मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा था ये. And अंदर से it's of course brand spanking brand new. ये आपको निकालना है and then you're going to wear it, and it's got this kind of detailing inside. इसके ऊपर ये प्लास्टिक है, of course जो मैं निकालूंगी नहीं because ये किसी some lucky girl is going to win it. I was so excited about this purchase. This scalloped edge is so pretty. So guys, this is going to be into an Instagram giveaway most probably. Stay tuned for that. And there is also a, am I in focus? Okay. So there's also going to be a YouTube giveaway, and this is going to be a part of that giveaway. So this was all for my Shein haul. A big disappointment this time. एक ही out of the 5 things, the only thing that I liked was this one. The green one is going to be a total compromise. I don't even know should I keep it or return it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. इसको रखूं या return करूं? But the other are definitely going back. I'm not in the. So guys, at this point my camera stopped recording and I'm so sorry for that. Lekin it's the end of the haul any which ways, and for more such honest hauls and reviews, please do visit my channel. You can always expect 100% honesty from me, and do subscribe. Take care and I'll see you soon. Bye.